Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day, Wednesday 15 May 2024. Today we'll be trading long Aussie, Euro, New Zealand, and short the USD Yen and the CAD. At the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. Dollar index, well, coming still down, testing the level. Seems like the intraday is taking over the short-term indicator. Wants to turn red, but if this level doesn't last, it's gonna test this rising trend line and the moving averages, and then we'll see if we can get direction from there on again. So the short term, well, the intraday is bearish, the short term is still bullish, but if it's gonna keep falling for another day or two, it's gonna turn bearish. So then it's the medium long term against the short term and the intraday. So let's see what happens. Getting interested. So we should see dollar strength on the news yesterday. PPI better than expected, way better than expected. And obviously it was the Fed that spoke afterwards. I didn't follow that. I'm not following fundamentals. And maybe that convinced them to be a little bit more bearish. But the news on its own should be dollar bullish. Didn't happen like that. All right, let's see what happens on the retracement. Pushing gold up. On my mentoring program, we got a nice divergence. A long position there, but we couldn't have done anything on the strategies I follow here on YouTube. So nothing here, still good. Dollar weak, still well, gold bullish. So let's see if it comes back down to this level, then I'll consider another trade on this strategy. But other than that, there's not much we can do for now. Bitcoin up and down, still can't decide. If you look at the rest of the crypto markets, all need levels to take out. You can see here, Solana need that level to be taken out before anything will happen. ETH, long trend line, we need that before it will be back bullish. XRP needs that to break that strong level. Chainlink needs to break up. XLM needs to break up. There's a ton of them. You see all of them. Look at Uniswap here, needs to break out. So all of the cryptocurrencies are waiting for these falling trend lines to be taken out or big support resistance levels, but we will allow Bitcoin to guide us. For me, the coup de grace would be the shoulder, head, shoulder. Once Bitcoin can go above $65,000-$66,000 levels, I think then we're back in business for the bullishness. My short-term indicator is still pointing down sharply, still red, but 4 or 5 or 6 days up, we could see this turn blue, and coming together with a breakout, I'll definitely be buying aggressively into Bitcoin from there. In the Euro US, lovely stuff. We got this long, and that long depends on if you got trickled out on your stop loss here on the first one, but you had another opportunity, hitting first target, hitting second target, and I've set some 2 targets up for you on the previous 2 days views also. So looking really good. If you're very nervous, you can trail the stop loss to that long, well, that black candle low there, and we're locking in profits at this stage. Fantastic stuff. So really, really good. Well done on this trade. And let's keep going with this. Euro much stronger than the US. My trend catcher robot's got some awesome positions here. So lovely stuff. Nothing new that I would specifically trade today. I'll rather focus on the open trades, which is long from here and long from there, and looking really good. Aussie, similar scenario. We've got the long here, got a first target and a second target hit now. Stop loss just got missed there on the news by a couple of pips, but safe, and set some targets on previous videos there for you. And yeah, you can keep going with this. Stop loss basically break even at this stage, banking a first target and a second target. So let's see where it goes. Keep trailing. I'll keep it on the list until we hit those levels there. I don't think I'll go up there with it, but just to guide you a little bit further, but looking really, really good. S&P 500 also tested the level I identified yesterday. Nice test, strong hammer candle. See a hammer candle, there was the long, and that long looks great. Stop loss down on these lows. Your stop is about 35 points or so, so you need about 60 to make a 1 to 1.5 minimum. So from there to there, that's about a 65 to the 1.618 FIP, and that's your target. So that's the level I would then exit the trade. So in the money off the bat, that's always a nice place to be, and let's see what happens. For now, nothing new that I will do here. I'll wait for retracements maybe from tomorrow, but for now I want to focus on the long trade and get to the targets. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. We move on then to the Dow Jones. Well, Dow, dollar bearish. I would like to see a retracement because that's the stock market bullish. The trend is up. With a bearish dollar, we've got stock market bullishness. So for now, I would like a retracement. I can also consider a little bit of a breakout there now. If it breaks, then a retest and a counter reversal. There's something I can do also. But other than that, I'm going to need a retracement. Nasdaq, we got the long from there, the strong white candle there. Another breakout there yesterday, which on these strategies didn't get you a long entry. On my mentoring program, we got the long. But based on what I do here, we didn't get it. All right, target 1.61850. So this trade here, that trade there, target up there, get stop loss now. Well, to these lows at least. I think it was already there. Also missed by a couple of points. And now looking really good for the final target up there. Nothing new that I will do at this stage, or rather just sit through the trade. Well in the money on the trade. Your risk was roughly on this trade about 130, 140 points. You are up about 180, 190, almost 200. That'll take you to 250, 280, almost 300 points. So that'll be an excellent trade for us on that one. But nothing new that I will do there for today. On the pound US, I'm watching this one yesterday. This missed the level I've identified yesterday. But now I used the level. Last directional swing, 61% retracement. Pound neutral, not after that, but dollar weakness. Definitely want to be short on the dollar. So going long here will give me the short on the dollar. CAD yen, last directional swing. CAD yen, same colors. A little bit worried about that, but they still okayish. So I would like to see a retest of this level here right at the 50% level. If I can get the retest there and a nice strong counter reversal, I'll consider some long positions. Then the Euro Swiss. Euro, green zone, Swiss, neutral, was red earlier a little bit, but I still want to be long Euro, and the Euro Swiss will give me that opportunity. On the retracement, resistance, support. So that could become support again if it retraces back to that level. Pound yen running up, pound neutral, not after that, but I'm after the yen short. By going long on the pound yen, that gives me the short on the yen. So a retest of this 50 to 61% level, this prior high there. If it can retest them, then I'll consider some longs on some nice candle reversals. My favorite trade idea for today, New Zealand US. Yesterday, I said, I can't believe that the New Zealand is so strong on this thing going sideways, and my words wasn't even cold yet. And then it flew off, but nothing I could have done towards it. I got a nice long position on my mentoring program, but yeah, we have got nothing. So now we have to wait for the retracement. We've got the flag pattern. The bulls need to confirm that this flag is indeed market structure. That's what I'm after. So on the retest, let's see if the bulls can defend their territory, and if they can reverse it off with a nice candle pattern reversal, then I'll take some additional longs. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. Support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.